Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For this video, it is a little throwback from December. Even though it's February now, I want to show you my recent everyday makeup look. And if you enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. With a fresh face, we're going to start this everyday makeup look that I've been doing since last summer. So I'm going to start with some primer all on my lids, and then I'm going to set it with some loose face powder. And then after that, I'm picking up a little throwback palette. This one is from Urban Decay, the Naked Ultimate Basics. Here I'm very sloppily adding Pre-Game to my lid. Then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to apply below. It's like a very light champagne color with just a nice little soft shimmer to it, just to the inner corner and mid-lid. Then with Commando and Tempted mixed together, I'm going to apply that to the outer third, just keep intensifying it so it's really nice and bold. And then once both of the eyes match, we're going to move down to the lower lash line. So very sloppily I'm adding those two colors again, and then very tight to the lash line, some lockout. Now, oh my goodness, this brown eyeliner from NYX I have been obsessed with. It's like the first time I've really used a brown shade eyeliner and like everyday makeup, or like for everyday makeup. I'm all about it. So I just do a tiny little wing and we are good to go. Now jumping down to the lower lash line, I like to use the Wonder Brow from NYX, another fave. Quick curl of my lashes, and then I'm going to be using two of my favorite lashes, one from Lancome and one from CoverGirl. Here we go for the face. Now, I haven't really been a major foundation wearer, and I'm really not ever going to be. I usually just wear foundations for like super fancy like events. Other than that, I love just using concealer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Full Wear. I'm just trying to cover up any discoloration or any redness, just to kind of even everything out a little bit. And of course, as I'm getting older, it's like the less makeup, the better. So that's what I'm doing, just really kind of spot treating, blending it out and smoothing it. And then once that is complete, I'm going to set it with the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection Loose Setting Powder. Another one of my newer favorite things is liquid blush. So I just add some to my cheeks, like right at my hairline, the top of my forehead, the top of my nose, and just kind of keep blending it out. And then I'm going to set it with one of my favorite blushes, and I've used this blush for years. I went ahead and off camera did a little brow magic, and now that that's complete, it's time to set everything. So give a little shake, give a little spritz, and then of course, give a little fan. After that setting spray, it is time to apply my highlight. I love to apply it now because it just sticks a little bit better and lasts a little bit longer through the day. So hitting all the sweet spots, and then after that, we're gonna get the lips prepped. First adding a little bit of moisture to the lips, and then I'm going to add the highlight to the Cupid's bow. And I've been really loving this little look, adding the red color to the inner portion of my lips, and if you know, you know. Lastly, I'm going to hit the diamond zone so I can mattify my face a little more, so I get my chin, the inner cheeks, and forehead. And then, oh, we cannot forget the lower lash line, coat of mascara. And to make things extra festive, I'm gonna wear my wired wrap Christmas tree earrings from my small jewelry business, Geek and Chic Creations. That is it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me and checking out today's video. I hope you enjoyed my recent go-to makeup look, and all of my makeup lovers, my girlfriends, and my DIY nail techs. I hope you'll come back next week and join me for another video. Take care and stay merry.